Professor Samiran Panda, Head Epidemiology and Communicable Diseases Division, Indian Council of Medical Research. Dr. Aprup Das, Director, ICMR, National Institute of Research in Tribal Health, NIRTH, Jabalpur, and all your esteemed team members. Shri Jayant Sahastra Buddhe Ji, National Organizing Secretary, Vigyan Bharati, and his team, all the other distinguished scientists and researchers present in this function, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. It is indeed a privilege to preside over this curtain raiser ceremony of the 6th India International Science Festival being organized by the ICMR, National Institute of Research in Tribal Health, Jabalpur. IISF, launched in 2015, has always been about showcasing the progress of science and its application for the betterment of the lives of our people. Yours is the only institute wholly dedicated to biomedical research on health and social issues related to the tribal population. The tribes represent a very unique and colorful segment of the Indian culture. Our tribals lead a lifestyle with beliefs, customs, values, and traditions that are in sync with nature. This lifestyle pattern, which doesn't defy nature, grants them an enhanced immunity against various diseases. However, it is a matter of concern that our tribal population today suffers from a high prevalence of malnutrition, genetic disorders, and infectious diseases. Often residing in hard to reach areas with difficult terrains, our tribal population has had inequitable access to benefits of our significant advancements in science, technology, as well as public health services. The health and well-being of our tribal population is of utmost importance to our government. We have been taking a slew of measures in this regard. In 2018, an expert committee constituted jointly by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and the Ministry of Tribal Affairs identified 10 major concerns that need immediate attention for the well-being of tribes and started working towards it. I take this opportunity to congratulate ICMR, which is one of the oldest medical research organizations of the country, for its extraordinary contribution in biomedical research. I would also like to applaud ICMR NIRTH, Jabalpur, for developing indigenous strategies in collaboration with state governments, other ICMR institutes, and NGOs. ICMR NIRTH has successfully demonstrated PPP models for reduction of tuberculosis among Saharia tribes and reduction in cases of malaria in the tribal district of Mandla in Madhya Pradesh. This prestigious institution has developed strategies for controlling prevalence of fluoride, anemia, and inherited hemoglobinopathies like sickle cell disease among tribal populations. Today, we are all proud of the contributions made by ICMR NIRTH for strengthening the health services in the hitherto unreached areas. The experience learnt in all these efforts will be of immense help not only for researchers and academicians but also for policy makers for improving health of the marginalized sections of our population. The India International Science Festival provides a platform for cross-pollination of ideas that will lead to better policy making to help improve the quality of living of our people. I invite budding researchers and scientists to join this unique platform and help bridge the gap between science and society. IISF 2020 is going to be held virtually this year from December 22nd to December 25th. I invite you all to participate wholeheartedly and help make this festival a grand success. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to place my thoughts before all of you. Jai Hind.